Hello students, the class for today, are you bored or boring? Listen and repeat.
I am surprised to see my favorite toy. I am surprised to hear that he likes a toy. This Christmas has a surprising ending.
Okay students, now discussing about this. What makes you happy? What are some things that make you angry? Are you shy? In which occasions are you shy? Are you more introvert or more extrovert? Okay, in my case, surprises make me happy. What makes you happy? In my case, surprises make me happy. What are the things are to make you angry? In my case, the lies annoy me. Okay, the lies I hate. Are you shy? In my case, I'm not shy. In which occasions are you shy? Well, maybe when I'm in a place and I don't know it. Are you more introvert or extrovert? In my case, I'm more extrovert. Okay, it's in my case. And how about you? Now, listen the following adjectives ending ed and ing and repeat. Okay?
Painted, painting, dropped, dropping, talked, talking, jumped, jumping, walked, walking.
Okay, now we have a conversation. Listen and practice. Would someone please just get me out of here? Whoa, I'm so interesting. What I'm saying is really interesting. I am so not interested. He's boring me to death. And excusing. What are some characteristics of your personality? Are you bored person? Are you happy with your personality? If you could change any aspect of your personality, what would it be? Are you a determined person? Are you a stubborn person? Okay, you answered this question about you. Now we have the grammar. What's the rules about use ing or ed participles as adjectives? Okay, present participle ing is used to describe something or someone. Example, I watched an interesting TV about American history last night. This film is boring. Let's stop watching it. Okay, remember, it's used to describe something or someone. And how about past participle ed? It's used to describe how people feel about something or someone. Okay, remember, describe how people feel about something or someone. For example, I'm interested in American history. I'm bored of my job. I want to find another one. Now, let me see a practice. Okay, number 1. The people I work with are satisfied or satisfying with their jobs. In this case, because we're talking about the people, we put satisfied. Okay? John was disgusted by the news report. John was disgusted by the news report. In this case, we're talking about John. The answer is this. Number 3. We thought that the instructions were confused, or we thought that the instructions were confusing. In this case, we're talking about the instructions, so it's confusing. Okay, continue. It's an amusing little story. You should read it. In this case, we're talking about little story, so use amusing. Okay, continue. Number 5. Working late every day is tired or tiring. In this case, we use tiring because we're talking about working. Okay? 6. I'm not really interested in sport. I'm not really interested in sport. What do you think? In this case, we use interested because we're talking about I. Another. Okay, number 7. Do you feel worried about them or do you feel worried about them? For number 7, in this case, we use worried. Okay, because we're talking about you feel. Number 8. All this information is making me confusing. All this information is making me confused. In this case, we use confused because we're talking about me. Number 9. I had a boring weekend because of the rain. I had a bored weekend because of the rain. In this case, we use boring. Why? Because talking about the rain weekend. Okay? Number 10. Your children are often scared of the dark. Your children are often scared of the dark. We use scared. Okay? Why? Because we're talking about your children. Okay. Okay, now let's see if it's correct. Now check an answer. Okay, you can see here, all is correct. Okay, thank you students. Bye-bye.